activity wisely. Do a lot of activities, but choose wisely. How are you going to group your learners? Does the activity match my learning outcome? What are the resources that I'm going to use? Are the resources that I have enough, or do I need more? Just think about all of those things before deciding on the activity. And again, it's very important to decide. Somebody has mentioned the SEN learners, which is a great point. Does my activity include the SEN learners? What special treatment am I going to give them? Will they need, what support will they be needing with? Do I have the capability of such support? What am I going to use to support them? A very, very, very important thing to do when I'm in my class is to set clear expectations. It's very important that the students know what is expected out of them. Okay, many teachers, if you go to the classroom, you see that they've already have like the schedule of the session there, what's going to happen, the roles. If I train my students from the beginning of the year on a certain routine, on setting the expectations, this will help me so much throughout the year as I move ahead with my class. Okay, start from day one, setting expectations. Whenever you go into the class, set the expectations of this session. Wear a smile and enjoy your class. It's very important that we are in the classroom enjoying our time, showing the students that we are enjoying, that we enjoy being in the class, we enjoy teaching them, and we are there for their support. It will reflect very positively on their behavior, and they'll be reflecting the same on us. So keep thinking about all of these things that happen in the class, reflect, take notes, share feedback with the learners. It will be good also to share your feedback with the management when needed, and with the parents. If you involve parents, they will also be supporting you in what you're doing. Okay, it will depend on the policy for a communication of your school, how we communicate with the parents. Different schools have different policies, but try to keep your notes, try to keep your evidences, and try to communicate with parents as much as possible. You know that studies have shown that if parents are if parents are involved in their children learning, the better achievements the children would do in the class.